Read from here.
Boundless connection that sets us free. Hearts collide under the velvet sky. Every heart beats louder as
Read from here.
flies by. This love's a language only we can speak. Intense and tender, leaving us weak. You laugh with me, but your eyes say more. Like they're looking for someone you've loved before. You say I'm special, yeah, but not like her. I'm just a place you go to feel secure. Your phone lights up, you try to hide. Her name shows up, I feel it inside. I smile back like I don't see, but it's breaking every part of me. I'm the silence in your storm, the shadow you lean on when you're torn. But when the night gets cold, you don't call me, you run to her. Yeah, I see it clearly. I love you in the quiet, in the dark, even when you're loving her with all your heart. I'm just a song you hum but never sing, a second thought you feel but never bring. And I keep waiting for a spark while you're safe in someone else's arms. I know her scent clings to your skin. You carry her like a gentle sin, and still I sit here, play pretend, as if this ache will one day end. You say we're close, you say we're real, but only when it's you who wants to feel. I'm the one you lean on when she's gone, but I was never where your heart belonged. I'm the voice that never speaks, the touch you crave but never seek. And every time I dream of you and me, I wake up drowning in reality. I love you in the quiet, in the dark, even when you're loving her with all your heart. I'm just a page you skim but never read, a wound you soothe but never let bleed. And I keep hoping for a spark while you're safe in someone else's arms. If I walked away, would you even care? Or would you just call her and say I'm there? I gave you all of me in pieces small, but you never meant to catch me when I fall. I love you in the quiet, in the dark, even when it's tearing me apart. You're the flame I chase but never hold, a bittersweet I can't let go. So I'll keep loving you from the start while you're safe in someone else's arms. I see you in my quiet mind, a love that's never yours or mine, like shadows dancing in the dark. A story written but no start. I hold you close in midnight skies, though in real life we say goodbye. A world where we could never be, but still you haunt my reverie. These are dreams that never were, a song I sing without a cure. I close my eyes and feel you near, a love that's whispered, never clear, though it's never gonna be true. Every night I'm lost in you. I trace the lines of what could have been, a life where love would always win, but fate wrote a different plan, leaving me here to understand. You're the wish I can't erase, the smile in a forgotten place, though the dawn will break the spell. In dreams I know you well. These are dreams that never were, a song I sing without a cure. I close my eyes and feel you near, a love that's whispered, never clear, though it's never gonna be true. Every night I'm lost in you. Maybe some loves are meant to stay only in dreams and drift away, but till the night calls me again, I'll keep you in my secret pain. These are dreams that never were, a song I sing without a cure. I close my eyes and feel you near, a love that's whispered, never clear, though it's never gonna be true. Every night I'm lost in you. When the night falls heavy on my soul, and shadows try to take control, you're the spark that breaks the dark, a gentle flame inside my heart. Every step feels sure and bright, with you beside me in the fight. You lift me up when I'm down, turn my world right around. You're the light of my life, shining through the darkest skies. With every word you inspire me to be the best that I can be. When I'm Together we can face it all. With you I'll never fall.
You're the light of my life, shining through the darkest skies. With every word you inspire me to be the best that I can be.
When I'm lost, you're the way, a guiding star that never fades. You're my hope, my endless drive. You're the light of my life. We met at the wrong part of the sky, where dreams were close but hearts couldn't fly. I saw forever in your eyes, but time just whispered it's goodbye. We talked like love had found its place, but life kept moving at a different pace. You had your path, I had mine too. Still my soul kept reaching you. If hearts could choose when and where, maybe we'd be standing there. We were almost something beautiful, almost right, almost unbreakable. But timing drew a line between our hands, and love became a word we couldn't plan. I still feel you in the silence, in the dust. We were everything, just not us. You smiled like you were holding back. I kissed you like the world might crack. One moment felt like 10 years long, but we both knew we didn't belong. Not here, not now, though hearts aligned. The world just wasn't being kind. If we had met another day, maybe we would have stayed. But sometimes love comes too soon, or waits too long to bloom. We were almost something beautiful, almost right, almost unbreakable. But timing drew a line between our hands, and love became a word we couldn't plan. I still feel you in the silence, in the dust. We were everything, just not us. If I see you again down another line, maybe then we'll get the time. But if not, just know it's true. I never loved half as much as I did you. We were almost something beautiful, a symphony without a sound. But even if we're not together now, you're the love I won't let down. I'll keep your name, I'll keep the trust of the story that was almost us. We held a love that burned so bright, but shadows grew in in silent nights. Words we needed went unheard. Hearts still close but lost in words. I never stopped believing you, but sometimes love can lose its truth. Not 'cause we didn't feel the flame, but the language of love got changed. It wasn't that we stopped the fire, just lost in silence.